How did you find the career different in pharmacy in abroad countries or like in states versus the pharmacy career in India? Because you told that you have done some of the internships in India as well during your bachelor's degree.
Yep.
So, how's the career different? And even you have friends out in India as well and everywhere. So, how do you find the career is different in both the countries?
Yeah, I would say that one of the main differences is just the style of teaching, right? So in India, it's I don't again I don't want to say that's how it is today because I don't really know how it is today, but I'm talking about how it was at the time when I was in school. It was more textbook oriented, and
Mhm.
you know you were expected to basically memorize or know everything that was in the book, right? There were some teachers who pushed your uh, you know brain buttons to make you think a little bit different, but for the most part it was more like textbook oriented. And another big difference is obviously because India's population, you would have a class that is a big, 100, sometimes 90 to 100 people in a class. Whereas when I came to US, it was like 40 people in a class, or maybe 25 or 30 in a master's program. So that's also the teacher to student ratio is one thing. The style of teaching is another thing. And also in India, when you're doing exams and tests, you're expected to write like lengthy, essays and stuff. Whereas when I came to US, it was more like multiple choice questions, and you had to really think and answer those questions. Or maybe you had to just do a presentation and you were graded on how you did the presentation. So I would say those are some of the differences, just the style of teaching, the style of exams and being graded, and just
Mhm.
the ratio of teacher to the student. I think those are the three big ones that I noticed.
Okay.